Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix SharePlay not working on iPhone. Pumped about sharing your tunes with friends and with the awesome new SharePlay feature in iOS 17. But what if SharePlay is not working or throws weird error messages? Don't wait, we have got your back. This video is your one-step shop to fix SharePlay on your iPhone. We will break down the common problems, troubleshoot like pros, and get you back to jamming in sync with your crew in no time. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check your iOS version. All new features of SharePlay require you to update your iOS to the latest possible version. Therefore, make sure you have updated your device to iOS 17 or later. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. Even if your iPhone is updated, it is wiser to check here for software updates as it might bring bug fixes that could fix the SharePlay not working issue. And the next step is ensure SharePlay is enabled. For this, open settings, then scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Scroll down and then tap on SharePlay. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on and you are done. Also, you should check other participants' device. SharePlay is a two-way street. Along with the active subscription, the other participants should also have an Apple device running an updated iOS version. And the next step is disable and re-enable FaceTime on iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. And then tap on FaceTime's toggle button to turn it off and wait for some time and then tap on its toggle button again to turn it on back and you are done. And the next step is check your internet speed and stability. If your SharePlay is not working correctly, the culprit might be the internet speed. You can also play a high quality YouTube video. If it buffers, your connection is unstable, first fix that issue, maybe restart your router or something. You can also put your iPhone on the airplane mode for a few seconds to reset the network settings. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign into FaceTime. Again, the idea is to reset FaceTime settings and fix the bugs behind the issue. For this, open settings, scroll down and then go to FaceTime. Next, tap on the Apple ID and then tap on sign out and after a minute sign back in and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. When all these methods didn't work for you, let's pull out the big guns. Remember that these big guns are loaded with and will remove your saved Bluetooth devices, Wi-Fi, password, VPN configuration, etc. So proceed with caution and make a copy of necessary details. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap off reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of SharePlay not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.